What's up, racers and collectors? CB here. We are back with a new track. Gone is the Super 6. We've gone to a 4-lane format now. And the track is not 100% finished. I've got some cosmetic work yet to do, but it is raceable. A couple new additions as well. Some grandstands, press box, some more garages. Big change at the end. We now have a softer finish. A lot of people were saying that finish line was too jarring and hard on the cars. It was hard to watch. So we've softened their blow a little bit by adding some cushion at the end. And we've got some cars up there, including our top of the rock champion, the BMW 323i, and some faster cars as well. Let's give this a test run, see how it looks. It's definitely a lot smoother and a lot faster than that rickety old Super 6. Nice to have good clean starts and not have to worry about that anymore. This is still another Play Robotics starting gate. This is just the 4-lane version. You can find it on Etsy. And not bad. Real smooth, real fast. I had a little bit of trouble trying to keep up with these guys. I'm having to run as opposed to walk fast to follow these guys. Let's send them down one more time, take another look, and then we'll get to the unboxing of the J case. That is what we're going to be racing next, so stick around for that. Here we go. So we are going to be doing a series called Race the Case. We are going to find out what is the fastest car in each case that we get. It's starting with this one. This is the 2024 J case. The only rules are we will not be racing, obviously, boats, helicopters, or planes. We will also not be racing duplicates. And also, obviously, we won't be racing treasure hunts or super treasure hunts just because the rubber wheels just won't make them very competitive. So, let's dive into this and see what we've got. Okay, and I should also mention that we won't be racing any cars that are too big for the track, any oversized trucks or things like that. Let's get started with the first three. We've got Total Disposal, Wheelie Chair, T-Rex Destroyer. Going on to the Donut Drifter, Speed Bump, and a very nice custom 68 Camaro. Should be okay to race all three of those. And our next three, the 70 Dodge Charger tuned version, West Coast Flyer, no, that's fast, and 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Love that casting. Okay, by the way, guys, make sure you pick your favorite, which one you think it's going to be. Mailed It, mail truck. We got another tuned Mazda RX-3 and the Mod Rod. Okay, next three, we got the 76 Greenwood Corvette, Hotweiler, and Speed Dozer. Next three, 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a Glory Chaser, and another West Coast Flyer. So that is a duplicate, so only one of those will be raced. And a new color variation of the Group C Fantasy, GMC Hummer EV, which we had trouble on the track last time, so that one probably will not be raced. And then another 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. And we got the 87 Dodge D100. Nice 95 Mazda RX-7, like that one. And again, another GMC Hummer. And another Group C Fantasy. Got the Birthday Burner. And Later Crater. One we definitely will not be racing, but will make for some nice scenery on the track. Proper Chopper, Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, and Rock and Roll Railer. And we got the King Cuda, which is a fast casting. Oh, a nice 63 Studebaker Champ. And the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Obviously that one will not be raced. Alright, last three from the top. Got the Baja Bison T5. Nice Corvette C6. And a really nice Pagani Zonda R. Don't know if this is going to be too big. We will see. Moving on to the bottom. Okay. We have the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, Mad Mike Drift Attack, Road Bandit. Should be able to race all three of those. We got a 07 Chevy Tahoe, 57 Jeep FC, and another Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. That Tahoe has always been a fast casting. Oh, nice. Volvo P1800 Gasser, and a McLaren Solus GT, and another Road Bandit. This is the Desert Drifter, Duck and Roll, and Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Thought maybe that was the treasure hunt, super treasure hunt, but it is not. Okay, we have another 76 Greenwood Corvette, another Chevy Tahoe, and another P1800 Gasser. Nice, a McLaren P1, love that light blue color. Rolling Solo, and another Birthday Burner. Okay, we got one of those fast DeLorean Alpha 5. A different Batmobile, the Arkham Knight Batmobile. I think that's different from the ones we saw earlier, maybe not. No, I guess that is the same. So another one of those, and another Jeep FC. The 2010 Camaro SS, Mazda RX-3, and another McLaren Solus GT. You got the wheelie chair. Oh, and two beautiful Porsche 904 Carrera GTSs. Love those. We got another Roland Solo, another Mailed It, and the HW Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. Interesting. And another Miata. 87 Dodge D100, another one of those, and a Mercedes-Benz Unimog. And down to our last three. Got a Later Crater, another Studebaker Champ, and another King Cuda. Alright, we're going to organize these and figure out which ones we're going to start racing. Stay tuned for that. Hey, I appreciate you all coming out, checking out the new track with me. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to reach me directly, it's frugalDiecaster@gmail.com.